Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And this morning I was looking around the internet for sources of information of radios that are on shortwave today, nowadays, because a lot of them gone off the air. Matter of fact, the Canadian time signal just recently, or is going off the air off of shortwave. CHU, I think it's called. Anyway, so I found this website. It looks familiar, so I probably have used it in the past, and I may have done a video of it in the past, but what the heck? Maybe you didn't see that video, maybe I didn't do it. Here we go. This is website shortwave.am, and it's a listing of not only shortwave, but all radio AM radio stations, and it's got a whole bunch of neat little features. Now, what I've done here is I selected out of the entire database, I selected WRMI in Miami, which is near me. And then it also provides a map here along with all of the frequencies that they broadcast on, which is, you can see there's a lot. I normally hear it on 5850. And it tells you the time it broadcast and starts and ends, the language, target area. As you can see, the target area is Mexico and lower part of the United States. And you can adjust this map over here, just zooming in and out. There's a world map. And you can have it be full screen if you want to. I don't want to do that right now. Plus, if I go up here, one of the things I can select is a particular station, or I can go way up here to the top, and this will blow your mind. Any station. Look at the map now. Oh my gosh. And this starts at way down at 147 kilohertz. So it's beyond shortwave, is what I'm trying to say. It's beyond shortwave. And then you can scroll through it for hours. Or you can pick what language. This is just the stations in broadcasting in English. I mean, you just don't realize how many stations are still out there, radio stations. You can pick a frequency. You can pick a time of day. I just said now, and you can update this. And you can show the long path if you want to. It's very useful. So I can come down here to, say, around 5 megahertz. Say, if I ever get there, 5 megahertz. Look at all these stations. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have chose 5. Here we go. So here's 5 megahertz. And here's Bay Island Radio on 5.045 coming from QL. What's QL? I don't know what QL. I don't know. And then here's a couple of them, the transmitters in Okeechobee that I haven't never heard of. There's Lebanon, Tennessee, WBCQ. You can see this list is huge, and it makes it easy for you to find things. I think you should check this out. Even if I've showed this to you before, I apologize. My memory, she's not so good. But this is shortwave.am on the internet. Take a look at it. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. It tells those people at YouTube that I'm presenting stuff you're interested in, and they promote my shows so more people get to see it and more people subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, I wish you would, and have a great day. Bye-bye.